Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for twice baked potato. It's so easy and delicious. It's a great side dish, so let's get started. What you'll need is 4 potatoes washed and dried. You'll need 5 slices of bacon that's chopped and cooked, a half a cup of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of butter, a quarter cup to a half a cup of milk, depending on the size of the potato, salt and pepper to taste, 1½ cups of sharp cheddar cheese, and a quarter cup of green onions that are chopped. So the first thing you need to do is to preheat your oven to 400. Then you need a baking sheet that is lined with foil. You're going to place the potatoes on top and put them into the oven for about an hour or until they're fork tender. So I already cooked my potatoes, and what I did was you cut off the top of the potato, okay, and you scoop all the potato out into a bowl. So once you scooped all the potato out, you're going to put the butter in with the potatoes, the salt and pepper to taste, the sour cream, and the milk. And you're just going to mash the potatoes until they're smooth. So next you're going to take your cheddar, and you're going to use half of it now, and then half of it later on. We'll put the rest of it on top of the baked potato. The chives, or the green onions, and the bacon. And you're just going to give this a mix. Next, you're going to take a scoop of the potato mixture and just put it back into the potato. So next, with the remaining cheddar cheese, you're just going to put that on top. So once you've done that, this goes back into the oven for about 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted. I'll show you what it looks like when I take it out. Here you have it, twice baked potato. So delicious, so easy. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.